Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting hair transformation video. So I'm using two Brazilian wool extension for this project because I'm making a jumbo size hairstyle. I went ahead and cut the extension and it is about 40 to 42 inches in length and 78 strands for each of the extensions. And I divide each 78 strands into two, making it 39 strands for each section of the hair. So I started by parting the hair through the front using a usual straight line format from front to back, and I'm taking it slow and gentle as always, so that to avoid applying tension to the root of the hair, because I wouldn't want my baby girl to start having headache after making her hair, understand? Yes, that's very important, So I apply a little edge control through the parts so that I can get a very neat and clean part. I don't underestimate the power of neatly and clean parts hair because it has a lot to tell to say about a particular hairstyle. Though I don't use edge control most times, but I do try my possible best to get a neatly part. Yeah, so guys, there's nothing much to say about those particular hairstyle because it is very simple to do. It is very easy to make. Just watch what I'm doing very closely so that you understand it better, because I don't have such a sweet voice. You might even get bored watching the video because of my voice. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ujunwa Blessing, and in this channel I share cute and easy hairstyles for kids. Please do well and watch this video to the end, and if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And for my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. I want to know where you're watching this video from. Please drop it at the comment section. If you want to recreate this hairstyle, I would advise that you use at least 50 inches length of whatever extension you may want to use, okay? Because I noticed that the length, that is the 42 inches length I use, wasn't long enough the way I wanted it, understand? Do well and watch this video to the end, okay? So that you can see how I was able to style this hair in 3 different ways. Yeah, so keep watching as I continue with the process.
you think about my hair? I hope it's fine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.